Visitors may leave a form incomplete for various reasons. But thanks to Fluent Forms partial entries, the lost data can be retrieved. As the name suggests, partial entries retrieve data from submissions that were left incomplete. And the thing is, popular businesses like WooCommerce, Shopify, and Amazon use this feature to track down lost customers. So, how do you use it? First, create the form you need. Go to Add New Form button and a pop-up window will appear. Select any pre-built form template, or you can go with a blank form if you like. Now that you are in the form editor panel, time to add all the necessary fields. Partial entries feature collects information from each of the steps completed by the user. So using a form step input field is a must. You will find it among the advanced fields. Let's add it. Now hover over the Paging Start section and go to the Input Customization of this form step field. Divide your form into several steps like shipping details, product details, and payment information. Check the Enable Per Step Data Save box. This will unveil another new option named Resume Step from Last Form Session. It will allow your users to continue from where they left off. Once you're done, don't forget to save the form. And that's it. It doesn't matter if your visitors hit the Submit button, Fluent Forms Pro will collect all the data for you. Want to read more about partial entries? We have linked a blog in the description box for you. Hit like if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and share.